My field exists for a reason. And I think a lot of times we try to talk ourselves out of it to our own detriment. So folks often end up in front of me because they're in crisis. They have nowhere else to turn. And it doesn't have to be that way. We can do more preventative things.
Oh, thank you for sharing all of that. I know for me personally, I put a post out yesterday on my coloring sheet. My mental health is precious.
Hmm.
And
Absolutely.
I think for me, it took a long time for me to honor that it is precious because I was raised that to be strong, you don't show vulnerability. And especially as a woman, it's like, suck it up, buttercup, move forward. And this is a part of who you are. And I'm just subscribing to something different for myself. And a lot of more women that I talk to, and men too, they want something different for themselves too. Like it's not serving them well. So I love
Absolutely.
that you shared like these triggers and things to think about in regards to pattern, right?
Mhm.
Pattern. So thank you because we constantly need to work on being able to self-assess so we know when to ask for help.
Absolutely. And I'm glad you mentioned that too, because I think that another really important part of this is breaking some of that generational stigma, right?